Hello and welcome to our kitchen. Today we are going to be making a classic dessert, custard. This rich and creamy dessert is the perfect end to any meal, and it's surprisingly easy to make at home. Let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. We'll need 4 cups of milk, 1 cup of sugar and custard powder. Now let's start by heating the milk in a medium saucepan over medium heat until it begins to steam. While the milk is heating up, in a separate bowl, whisk the custard powder with milk until it gets smooth. This will be the base of our custard. Once the milk is hot, slowly pour sugar into the saucepan according to your taste. When the sugar melts completely, start pouring out the custard powder mixture slowly while whisking constantly to get a smooth and even mixture. It will slowly start getting thicker. Next, pour the custard mixture into a bowl so that it can cool down and become even thicker. Now is the time to store it inside the refrigerator if you want to enjoy it days later. When you are ready to serve the custard, simply garnish it with fresh fruit if you desire and enjoy. And that's it. A classic custard made from scratch. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.